Hey guys, this is the beginner's tutorials to create the particles, the VFX, the visual effects in iClone 8 3D animation software. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step how to create the particle effects. First, you can see this is the iClone 8 3D animation software. By default, the workplace should be the standards. Then you should be able to see all of these contents, scene and visuals. To create any of the particle visual effects, first you have to click here. This is the stats. Then you should be able to see a particle option at here. Then it automatically navigate through particles. For any of the particles effect here, you can select. You should be able to see two folders. The first is the legacy. Then you can choose in any of the particles here. For example, the atmosphere, the starburst. Let's say if I drag and drop into the scene, you try to play. Now it will be here. First, you have to make sure you click the scene, then make sure this unseen it. Then you try to play. You should be able to see the particle effect. Let's say if I drag and drop it to the air, try to play. It will always at there. Right. Back to the frame 1, you click here, back to the frame 1, click the starburst. Now, you scroll down this part, the modified. Then, you can change the variables here. For example, the diffuse is a white color. Then if you choose the color, let's say if I put it as red, try to play again, you can see a slightly change of the colors. Then all of this you can change it. So many variables here, the velocity, etc., the directional randomness, all you can adjust. To delete it, now you already unseen it, you can just let it be able to see. Press Q and double click it, and you press delete button, it is going to delete it. Of course, you can try others. Click the legacy, for example, the fires and smokes. Just drag in, then try to play. Here you should unseen the blue color one, and this is the fire. If you change the color, you can see the particle, the opacity, the size multiplier, drag down. You can try to adjust anything here. And you can even change the opacity as well. These two maps you can change. Right, this is the fire, just a few examples. Back to the particle, here one of the very important particles is the explosion. Try to play. This is the default. Of course, you can change the explosions. Let's say the color as well. You can try to figure out everything. There are so many variables. Right. LED text. If you try to play, what can you see? This is an LED text. Of course, you can adjust as well all the colors. All of these particles, you can set it, you can custom it, all at here. Of course, you can double click and delete it. Let's see another one, the Popcorn FX Super Tools. Have the ribbon emitters. Can you adjust it? Yes. Just click here. Just read the variables. Try to test it one by one. You will find the effects that you want. The text emitter. Try to play. This is the text. Let's say if you want to show the text to face the camera, just look at the camera like this. Then you can see the text. You can customize the text as well. Just delete everything. Then this. You can type it here. This is the target. Try to play. You can try to attach this on a 3D avatar and choose to unseen this. There are so many particles here. The atmosphere, the environment. You can try to apply, for example, the rains and the snow as well. Drag and drop. Now you can see this is the raining effect. And this is the sandstorm. Let's try one by one. And you can delete it one by one. All of these are particles. Just press delete button. This is under the scene. Back to the content. The fires and smokes. Twister. The smoke, the text. The tunnel. Right, for these tutorials, this is just an introduction of the particles, visual effects in iClone 8 3D animation software. This is a beginner's guide. You should be able to explore by yourself at here. It is under the sets particle. Just drag and drop one by one, and you can just click to modify it, customize it, and you can create a stunning visual effect. Right, that's all for today about the introductions as the beginner's guide to creating the dynamics effects, how to create the iClone 8 particle visual effects, how to create it in iClone 8. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorials and sharing, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorials or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. See you!